Hey everybody, in today's quick video I wanted to show you a comparison between a virtual pinball and an authentic real pinball, the flipper speeds. I made a review on this virtual pinball machine that I bought from the Pinball King here about a month ago, and the video just exploded. It has 100,000 views. I'll put a link up here if you'd like to check that out. But in the comments I had a lot of people saying that virtual pinballs don't have as fast of a reaction time for the flippers, which lowers the realism. So in this video I'm going to just show you, I can't really tell a difference, and I'm going to be doing some slow motion comparisons between, close-ups of the flippers on the virtual and the real one. So you be the judge. I hope you find this video informative, and please give it a like if you do. Okay, so for this test, I'm going to be shooting in 60 frames a second, which will allow me to slow it down into slow motion. I'm going to try to kind of hold the camera right about this position so you can see the flipper, but you can also see the button when I push it. There will be no audio because it'll be in slow motion, but it'll give you an idea of when I push this and you see the flipper react. Again, this first test will be on my authentic real pinball machine, Medieval Madness. Okay, this is on normal speed. Alright, now for the virtual pinball reaction time. I got Medieval Madness loaded up, and same thing, I'm just going to hold the camera kind of at an angle here. It looks a little distorted on the screen here because I'm at an angle versus standing directly over it, as you would be if you're playing, but I'll be doing it right about here. Okay, first off, this is in normal speed. Well everybody, I hope you enjoyed this quick video comparison between the flipper speeds on a virtual pinball versus an authentic one. Now, there might be a slight delay on the virtual one, but I believe there's also a slight delay on the real pinball, because on a real pinball you hit the flipper button, it's got to send the current to the actuator's got to fire, so it's probably not instantaneous as well. I'm excited to review the footage, the slow motion footage here, and see if I can tell a difference. Honestly, when I'm playing the virtual pinball, I can't tell the difference, and I had some cousins and their kids over there today, and we were doing battles on both of these machines. No one could tell a difference. So if you wanted to know more about where I got my machine, I'll put a link below. It's thepinballking.com. Highly recommend it. Like I said, I did a review. I'll put another link up here about a month ago. It's got a ton of views, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. I respond to all comments, and please give this video a like if you found it informative, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.